इंटरव्यू के लिए आप किस तरह से प्रिपरेशन कर रही हैं? इंटरव्यू राउंड के लिए जैसे आपने प्लूटस आईएएस मॉक इंटरव्यू प्रोग्राम लिया तो आपने प्लूटस आईएएस क्यों चूज किया? आपका डेली स्टडी शेड्यूल क्या रहता था? हमारे साथ मौजूद है यूपीएससी कैंडिडेट अनुश्री। तो चलिए जानते हैं उनसे उनकी मेंस और प्रीलिम्स की प्रिपरेशन टिप्स और साथ ही इंटरव्यू राउंड के लिए वो किस तरह से अपनी प्रिपरेशन कर रही है। मैम, ये आपका कौन सा अटेम्प्ट है?
फोर्थ।
ओके, फोर्थ अटेम्प्ट। तो प्रीवियस अटेम्प्ट्स में जो कुछ मिस्टेक्स रही होंगी उन्हें आपने इस बार कैसे ओवरकम किया?
So last time in prelims 2023, because the pattern changed a bit, I could not qualify prelims, which is why I gave a lot of mocks for this one in the similar pattern, and hence I think I was able to clear it that way. And for mains, when I gave interview before that in 2022, I lagged behind in the chemistry optional, and this time I think I worked on that, and let's hope for the best now.
आपका ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट?
My optional subject is chemistry.
ओके, तो आपने केमिस्ट्री क्यों चूज किया एज योर ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट?
Because chemistry was also my graduation subject in IIT Bombay, so that's why I had a familiarity, so I thought I should go ahead with it.
इंटरव्यू के लिए आप किस तरह से प्रिपरेशन कर रही हैं?
So for interview I'm giving various mocks. I've also made a very detailed note about my DAF, and keeping in touch with current affairs, newspaper, monthly magazines.
आपका करंट ऑक्यूपेशन?
I am full time preparing for civil services.
और इंटरव्यू राउंड के लिए जैसे आपने प्लूटस आईएएस मॉक इंटरव्यू प्रोग्राम लिया तो आपने प्लूटस आईएएस क्यों चूज किया?
Because I got to know from a few friends that the panel over here is very good, and the feedbacks which they give are very insightful and helpful, and I experienced the same today, that the panel indeed was very good, cordial, very close to what we actually have in UPSC, so that's why I chose Plutus.
सिविल सर्विस में जाने का आपका इंस्पिरेशन?
During my college life, I used to work in NSS. That was my first experience of public service. It struck a chord, and I thought I felt that this was my true calling, and that is when I decided I want to pursue this.
आपका डेली स्टडी शेड्यूल क्या रहता था?
I think discipline is the key in this preparation. So waking up at a particular time, mostly I try to wake up between 7 to 7:30, then studying till about 12, 1 a.m., then having lunch, then again studying till about 9, 10, with breaks of course in between. You cannot study continuously. So that more or less that was my.
स्टडीज के टाइम आप अपना माइंड एकदम रिफ्रेश करने के लिए आप किस तरह की हॉबीज का यूज करते थे?
So my hobbies are the hobbies that I have are very aligned to the preparation actually. One of which is learning new words, honing my vocabulary, which happens when I'm reading the newspaper. Other than that, spending time with family, reading books. Currently I'm reading a mystery novel, so these kind of activities keep me entertained.
न्यू यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट्स को आप क्या टिप्स देना चाहेंगे?
I would tell them that it's a tough journey, and one needs to be disciplined throughout. Choose your optional very wisely, and remain focused throughout.
Thank you so much, ma'am. All the very best.